Okay, so I'm going to take a second and explain exactly what I've got here. Because I set this guitar up years ago for Jeff, and he's still using those 11 to 48 strings, I used the old strings to do the initial setup. We've got that steel hex union that just drops in there. And that kind of holds everything in place while I did all those final adjustments. Okay, a couple of things here, Jeff. I did actually pack that cuff. I made up a little rubber washer, so that bar will just stay in place wherever you decide you want it. I also wanted to show you, now that all calibration is done, these bars will vary quite a bit from like a Floyd Rose to a stock Strat, but this is how I set the notes. So I give it a quick couple of taps and then pull up. That sets it back to center. I did drill through that post, that hole, open it up a bit so that that return wind goes right through and the ball end butts up tight against the post. And the same deal with the third string. The return wind was kind of hung up, so like this one I through drilled, and now that ball end will butt right up against the post. I did touch up the brass piece on this compensated locking nut that I did for you all those years ago. And yeah, this thing is up and running 100% now.